Hello and welcome to 127 Forest Lane number 32. The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the door locks. This is a backup lockbox, just in case these doors don't work. You'll have a key inside of here that I will give you the code. To use the code, click the Schlag button that lights it up. Your access code, 1234. Then turn the knob and push open. The deadbolt will be off. If it happens to be on, the same code that works here, and also works for here. That's your ski locker, and here inside your ski locker, you can put all your skis. Okay, thank you for watching the video on how to use the door locks.